Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through how to disable autoplay videos on Facebook. As you can see, once I scroll down to any video, it's autoplayed right now. So if I want to disable it, you can see. So if I want to disable it, what I'll do is I'll tap on my profile icon at the top right corner, tap on the gear icon over here to open up the settings and privacy. Then scroll down to media, tap on it. Then you can see under autoplay we have on mobile data and Wi-Fi, so I can deactivate it or disable it by tapping on never autoplay videos. Change have been saved. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this video helpful on how to disable autoplay videos. So you can see it's not autoplaying anymore, but it's autoplay videos on Facebook. Thanks for watching.